Right now, all users get just one role, role user, because it's what we're returning from the getRoles function inside the user entity. Add a roles field and make it a JSON array type. JSON array allows us to store an array of strings in one field. In the database, these are stored as a JSON string. Doctrine takes care of converting back and forth between the array and JSON. Now just update the getRoles method to use this property and add a setRoles method. Cool! Except the way it's written now, a user could actually have 0 roles. Don't let this happen. That user will become the undead and cause a zombie uprising. They can log in, but they won't actually be authenticated. Be a hero by adding some logic to getRoles. Let's just guarantee that every user has role user. Update the SQL for the new field and then head back to the fixture file. Let's copy the code here and make a second Wayne admin user. Give this powerful Imperial user role admin. Let's reload the fixtures. Now, when we log in as Wayne admin, the web debug toolbar shows us that we have role user and role admin. Cool! Could we disable users, like if they were spamming our site? Well, we could just delete them and send them a strongly worded email. But yeah, we can also disable them. Add an isActive Boolean field to user. If the field is false, it will prevent that user from authenticating. Don't forget to add the getter and setter methods either by using a tool in your IDE or by rerunning the doctrine generate entities command. After that, update the schema to add the new field. So the isActive field exists, but it's not actually used during login. To make this work, change the user class to implement advanced user interface instead of user interface. The new interface is a stronger version of user interface that requires 4 additional methods. I'll use my IDE to generate these. If any of these methods return false, Symfony will block the user from logging in. To prove this, let's make them all return true, except for isAccountNonLocked. Logging in now is less fun. We're blocked with a helpful message. Each of these methods does the exact same thing. They block login. Each will give the user a different message, which you can translate if you want. Set each to return true except for isEnabled. Let's have it return the value for our isActive property. If isActive is false, this should prevent the user from logging in. Head over to our user fixtures so we can try this. Set the Wayne admin user to inactive. Next, reload your fixtures. When we try to log in, we're automatically blocked. Cool! Let's remove the setIsActive call we just added and reload the fixtures to put everything back where it started.